Hello there, Egil Thorsson here.
And I'm Bragi.
And what we're going to be doing today?
Well, today we're here to do an unboxing video.
Alright.
So we're not doing a great deal on the video, have we? You've got the knife, I've got the box. So let's explain what we're going to unpack. It's not a Viking kit, it is a bit more later medieval.
Alright.
And as an archaeologist here, and historian and general dog's body of knowledge,
well, cheers.
Egil will talk about them, and we'll discuss buying things on eBay as well for a few minutes.
Well, that's more your territory.
Have you ever been on eBay, Egil?
I've looked at medals.
Well, I imagine so.
Quite a few of them actually. And I've actually been on to find out about a person who my dad knew.
Oh. On the ancestry thing?
No, it was Colonel Wintle MC, 7th Dragoon Guards. He was my christening.
There we go, get in there.
He wrote a book called The Last English Gentleman.
This is much easier than unwrapping the sword video with it.
Ah.
Remind me to sharpen that for you.
Well, okay.
So
hey,
the first,
don't forget to sharpen my knife.
Yeah, I will do, Egil. Now the first item I can see is a pouch. So
Ooh.
I don't understand what this is on the back. So the first strange thing on this pouch is that. This is a bit more late medieval, so this would be for the 13th or 14th century.
I noticed he's got something you can stick a
Yeah, I thought maybe a scabbard. That will be coming off that back section.
Love the smell of
It
that.
does smell nice. It's got a very nice pattern on it.
Nice stitching.
Yes. It's been hand punched though with a puncher. You can see. It's not been hand.
That's jolly good. I think it's just a design he's put on.
Yeah, but I think if you get rid of that,
Yeah.
you'd have a kind of a dark age patch, and you don't have one of these, do you, Egil?
No.
Well, there you go. You can use that for now, so I don't need it.
Oh, thank you. I'll
So-
put that down here for the moment.
Yeah, and we'll take that thing off the back off. So the next thing we've got now, just to let you know how much we paid for these items. There's 4 items in here, and I paid £5 each on
That's
eBay.
good money.
So the next item is a medieval shirt.
Aha.
Again, it's more 13th and 14th century. If we ever go into that era, we've got some kit.
You could also pass that off. 18th century, maybe even
Yes, well, that's something we'll talk about.
Victorian even.
Often when you get kit, you'll find that your kit can be quite diverse.
Yeah.
So for instance, although yes, this is way too late for a Viking age shirt, too short, but you'll get away with the 13th, 14th century, but you will get away way up to probably the 19th century with this shirt. If you take the toggles off
Well, for the 17th, 18th
and you put some buttons on. And that's made by Say, never heard of them. So what do you reckon to that? £5.
£5 is well worth it. See, there are bargains out there.
Yes.
So I'll just fold this up nicely.
We don't often buy things on eBay. Now the next thing we need one of these, another hat.
Ah, you haven't got many hats.
No,
have
we
you?
don't have that many hats, only about 20. So this is quite interesting. It's a double-sided hat. So
again, later medieval, sort of 14, 15.
oh yeah, with the square cut,
Mm.
it's later medieval.
You see them on the other manuscripts for Magic Core.
But if you did this, and you actually put the edge around, and let me demonstrate it on my head, my noggin, you'll see you start getting the shape of a more earlier shape hat. And you see,
Yeah, it's a thing called style drift.
Yeah.
We did when we were students about how things progress.
but you couldn't make that for £5, could you?
Well, again, there's more than £5 worth of material.
So that's
in
very
there.
nice. If I remember, I'll take some photographs of these and also upload them. Now, the last item is a strange item, and I'm not sure what to do with this. This is again a later medieval item, and it's actually, throw away the box. Traditionally you do that on camera.
Responsibly, because
Yes. This is meant to be like a medieval backpack.
I wonder if this is what pilgrims would wear on.
Possibly.
Because it's not a lot in there. Keep your. That's a nice piece of that.
It is a nice piece of leather.
Yeah.
I quite fancy taking the straps off that and just having a leather bag.
If you know for certain what this is, leave us a comment about it because.
I'll say that's 13th to 14th century. Yeah, you can see a pilgrim wearing it.
But having said that, if you think you know, drop us a comment.
But you know, for £5, you mean you couldn't make that sack for £5.
Again,
Let alone
the leather.
you got some nice buckles.
Well, the buckles are worth more.
Now, when I saw the picture of this, there was no illustration to how big it was, so I thought it wasn't much bigger. So I was hoping to get bigger straps I could use in the
To be
field.
honest, you could see somebody wearing that today, student or whatever. You know what I
The
mean?
question is now, do we leave the straps on or take them off and have a really nice bag?
Why not let the viewers decide?
I don't know. There we go, Egil.
for viewers, leave us a comment.
Yes, you can leave a comment. If you like what we brought, let us know. What are your thoughts on it? Now, if you are buying on eBay, you generally, if you're in a group, it's always best to speak to your group members to find out that you're buying the right kit. I think that's a good advice, wouldn't you say, Egil?
I'd say that's excellent advice, because even the most respectable of the reenactment societies will sometimes sell you hooky gear. Like we have.
Oh yes, and there's lots of gear out there. There's lots of brand new gear. The second-hand market for Viking stuff is quite limited on eBay and Facebook and sites like that.
Well, reenactment stuff as a whole, I mean,
there's lots of medieval stuff.
There's loads of it. I mean, medieval, Civil War, American Civil War, World War One, World War Two. There's all sorts of stuff out there. All you got to do is look.
Yes, and you will find some good bargains. So, and we have actually talked about this before, buying kit, on another video.
Yeah.
So there you go. Go and look for that video on a guide for buying kit. So for me, it's goodbye.
And from me, it's goodbye.
And what should they do if they're new to the channel?
Well, hashtag.
Well, we haven't got a hashtag for this one.
Well, I've put my foot in
A
there.
hashtag unboxing. There you
Well,
go.
okay.
I'll create one for you there.
Or press the old
Subscription
subscription
bell.
bell. Leave us a comment, because we like to hear from you, and have a good time and keep unboxing those treasures.
Oh yes, if you do like unboxing videos and you want to see some more, then let us know and we'll film some more for you. We've got a few more items we could unbox again. So goodbye.
Bye.